the 2013 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 15,000 kilometers. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, and power windows. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.